Think beyond your calculator for a moment. What if you needed the area for 1,000 different circles? A spreadsheet might start to feel clunky. This is where programming comes in, transforming repetitive mathematical tasks into a few elegant lines of code. It's about amplifying your mathematical capabilities. With a simple instruction called a loop, you can tell the computer to calculate the area for every radius from 1 to 1,000 and list the results instantly. This automation is a game changer, freeing you to focus on the bigger picture, not the manual arithmetic. But the real power lies in using specialized toolkits called libraries. In a language like Python, the NumPy library can take a massive list of data and instantly find its mean and standard deviation. No more plugging numbers into a formula. Other libraries can approximate solutions to complex problems, like finding the exact area under a curve, which might be nearly impossible to solve perfectly by hand. And then there's visualization. A tool called matplotlib can take an abstract equation, like y equals x squared, and instantly draw a perfect, smooth parabola on your screen. It allows you to plot vast data sets, see hidden trends, and build an intuition that raw numbers alone can't offer. You're not just calculating, you're exploring. So, learning to program for math isn't about becoming a software developer. It's about adding a powerful instrument to your toolkit, one that handles complexity, automates repetition, and helps you see the patterns behind the numbers. It elevates you from simply solving problems to truly modeling the world around you.